Hey guys, what's up? So today we're top best Android tweets, 5, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So this is actually going to be a short top tweets video. The first top tweet is called Pass By, open source tweet that gives you many passcode customization options, compared with iOS 9 to 14. This tweet is a theme called Alive, and version 1.2.2. As you can see, new icons added now in package repository with version. So that's what it looks like. This tweak is another thing called Bayaz, and it's here now. So basically, that's what it looks like. This tweak is called Juice, and a port of the PowerOS icon theme to iOS. So it's unparalleled battery customization. This tweak is called FlyJBX. You can hide doing jailbreak your iDevice, so it's basically bypass short detection tweak. This week is called Checkra1n, multiple containers for your application. So basically allows you to have like multiple accounts for apps. So used for a lot of instances. So let's just say one of the instances is that per it doesn't always work depending on how the app or game uses the storage base. They might be a server, it might use your storage, or might identify your device. So it's different ways. Like I said, couldn't work depending on the app or game you're using. But for example, let's say you get like a trial for like 3 days, right? You can actually try to add a new account or delete so you guys can try add a new account so you can actually get that trial back again. So that's just one of the ways. Or for example, if you're on Snapchat or Discord, you can add multiple accounts, so you can easily switch between your accounts instead of having to sign out and then sign back into your account. That's annoying, but you can easily just switch between your accounts with this tweak. And this is called Adaptive Dark Mode, a better dark mode experience. So you can activate dark, light mode basic conditions you specify. And this is called MagSafe and MagSafe charging indicator, just like iOS 14, or it's iOS 12 and 14.3. This is called Selection Plus, and basically gets rid of boring native text selection menu, replace it with basically a better one. You get these features right here for it. This is called Fancy Selection, just like Selection Plus. Take iOS selection menu to the next level, requires at least iOS 13.4 or higher. So you change the hideous iOS text selection menu with a fancy one with this tweak. This is called Translo, and translate tweet that makes your life easier when chatting with foreigners. You easily translate different texts. This is called KB App List, framework for access list of installed apps and cool app selection preference panes for the pans for developers' use. So unlike iOS preferences pans, makes use of a UI collection view with a fresh iOS-like rather than the standard UI table view. Comes with a drag and drop, quick edit, and search capabilities to improve user experience within your tweets. All apps, system apps, user apps, and audio apps. This is called KB App Dock, and you can arrange apps or modules on the dock of the keyboard. It supports iOS 13 to 14.x. This is called a Page 2. And customize up to 30 settings for each app, clean, friendly UI, easy accessible right from the 3D touch menu. And this week is called YT HD Unlocker, and launch HD videos in the YouTube app. So you get those high definition video qualities in the YouTube app. It's not compatible with DRM protected videos, can cause fail to load or lag some videos with HD resolutions. And it was just updated. So it should be. And last but not least, we do have a tweak called Unc0ver, and basically we're going to animate your income notifications or pin them with badges towards iOS 13 and 14. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.